To assemble the activity gym, start by placing all the pieces on the floor. Be sure the tabs are up. You should have 1 centerpiece, 1 short key, 1 long key, 2 locks, 2 A legs, and 2 B legs. Begin with the centerpiece and one of the A legs. With the tab facing out, place the A leg into the slot. Slide it inward. Next, take a B leg. Again, be sure the tab is facing out. Now, place the B leg in the slot and slide outward. Take one of the locks. Secure the legs on this side in place with the lock. Now, the other side. Grab the other B leg. This time, slide the B leg inward. Then the A leg. Slide the A leg outward. Finally, take the other lock. Only use the activity gym with both locks in place. The short key is used with the mobiles. The long key is used with the hanging toys. The activity gym is used first for hanging mobiles. It's important to use the short key now so the mobiles will stay far out of your baby's reach. Later, when your baby begins to reach out for the mobiles, you can switch to the long key. This will allow your baby to reach and enjoy the batting ball, grasping ring, hanging discs, and kicking ball.
Place a play mat underneath the activity gym to create a soft but firm play area. The best play mats are not slippery and don't bunch. They offer your baby some traction and make it easy for her to move and develop her muscles. At playtime, make sure your baby's clothes are loose and she can move freely. Keeping her legs, feet, and hands uncovered will help her learn more about her body and how to use it.